What's up, Wanderers? We are out here in Riverside, California today. We are visiting Terraquest Off-Road for our custom rear bed setup. Let's go check it out right now.
I'm with Terraquest Off-Road. We specialize in overlanding storage builds, totally customizable to fit your needs for your rig. Here we have an example. It's our Kent 2.0 system, and it fills the back of your rig. It's totally customizable. You can interchange whatever you want in it, or you can stick with the generic examples that we have, and we can custom build it to fit the back of your rig. Be sure to check us out at terraquestoffroad.com or follow us on Instagram at terraquestoffroad. And thanks for tuning in.
Alrighty, we are home from Riverside where we got our Terraquest system installed. So we're gonna dive into depth on the system that we did install into the bed of the Wandertaco here. It is the Kent system with a little bit of kick on it. We like to call it the Kent 2.0. Let's go check it out. All right, the only thing that is different on the Kent system, the Kent 2.0 here, is this middle zone right here. So the main Kent that we have basically stops right back here, so you have a little bit more of a walkway. We actually had them extend that out to the same distance on the right side here. That way everything was flush, and we didn't need a huge walkway because of our Topo Toppers here. When the bed's out, basically sits right about here. So we just hop up when we're ready to sleep for the night, and we can just hop up there. We don't really need all the pass through here, and I'd rather have a lot more storage in here. So basically the way that we have this laid out is the left side, we have our recovery gear. We have our air compressor in there for now, some jumper cables, just mainly recovery straps, all that jazz there. This middle one, we put a tote in there for our basically all of our camping gear, cooking utensils, all that jazz. This right one is empty right now. I'm trying to decide if I want to put our power banks in here, if we want to do like a dual battery setup. Let me know in the comments what you guys would suggest. Right now we have a couple bigger power banks that I'm thinking about doing solar on our new Sherpa roof rack, and we'll see if that works out or not. But I might run power through here, drill a couple holes on top of this starboard that Terraquest gave us, which is simple to drill through, mount anything on top of these. And then I'm actually sitting where our fridge slide mount is. We have the Alucab slide here, and then there's actually a passageway beneath me that I'm sitting on that basically we're gonna put our Coleman stove in. We'll probably put some cutting utensils in there as well, but that's basically our layout. In the drawers we have some random easy to get to tools, cooking utensils, band-aids, all that kind of jazz. And each one of these drawers is actually lockable, so no one's gonna get into your stuff. These drawers aren't gonna open on you while you guys are off-roading, overlanding, going to the mall, all that jazz. Nothing's gonna open up on you, but great latches. Let's dive into depth a little bit more on the system. Okay, so basically to install the system, what I'm standing on right here is their starboard plate, and they're actually gonna use the 6 bolts that bolt your bed in, at least on the Tacoma. I'm sure other installs are different, varying on your bed setup and all that jazz, but the system was actually pieced together in 3 pieces. So they started on this left side here, we installed the left side, and then on the corners we have these really nice beauty plates, which you guys will have to cut to basically whatever camper you have. Obviously with the Topo Topper we had 4 clamps on each side, so they ended up cutting some really nice edges for us to mount those beauty plates in, but cutting the starboard is really not that hard. But they put this left side in here first, then we put that we put the right side in next, and then we slide the middle in to connect it all together with their amazing extrusion setup here. So basically, the way that the system works is you guys can reach out to Terraquest and you can build the system out however you want. I don't know if any of you guys follow Coda's Tacoma on Instagram, but he has a first gen Tacoma, and his system is a lot different than this. These drawers are tinier on each side because the first gen Tacomas are a lot smaller than the second gen and the third gen there, and he actually has a drawer system in the middle that is skinny. So it just kind of depends on what you guys want, but Terraquest is taking custom orders. You don't have to order the Kent. You don't have to order the Kent 2.0. It basically comes down to whatever you guys want and what fits your needs. Basically, this fit our needs for our Tacoma. We really liked how the Kent was. We just added our own little kick on it. And yeah, I mean, these drawers, you know, they slide out very nicely. The wood is super clean. What's super nice about this system too, I know a couple other systems out there are built out of wood, you know, this being the starboard. Basically, if it ever gets dirty in here, you can take a hose, blow it all out, dry it out, and nothing's gonna mold on you, which is huge. All of these drawers are watertight. The cabinets are all watertight. Everything is good to go, which is a huge plus on our end there too. So they also do a interior delete system. They're working on some roof racks right now, or not roof racks, and bed racks for other trucks. So basically the options are endless on what they can build for you. They're widely into customizing vehicles for your needs, whether that be a van, whether that be an overland truck, whether it be a basic Silverado, you know. So basically, I would say reach out to them with any of your design needs or wants, and they can build it for you. Otherwise, go with the Kent 2.0 like I have here. We did a lot of thought into the system, and we're very happy with the product that we have here. So huge shout out to Terraquest for building the dream overland setup in the back of our Tacoma. And if you guys are going to be at Overland Expo P&W, we will showcase this there in the Topo Toppers booth. So if you guys want to check out this amazing camper, or you want to check out this amazing overland setup, feel free to reach out to us on Instagram, or come say hey to us at Overland Expo P&W this June. Alrighty guys, as always, we'll be wandering, so we'll see you later.